Well, welcome everyone to the Tamar River at 10 to 5 on this amazing long weekend in March. It's Sunday morning and we're on the water before sunup, so the idea is to try and see sunup on the Tamar this morning. It's warm, I've got the Crocs on, I've got the shorts on, it's dark obviously, I've got the little light set up there which illuminates the boat quite nicely, and if you can see this torch, we have got a couple of baits in the water. Oh, we've got a little nibble even on this one over here. So a couple of bigger baits, hoping for something bigger to come along, and then maybe we might chuck down some burley and other smaller baits when we'll definitely get the nibble over here. Smaller baits when the sun comes up. So kudos to people who go and do night fishing. I will say it's not the easiest thing to navigate. I'm not sure I'm exactly in the right spot where I want to be. I think I'm a little close to the shore maybe, but when the sun comes up I'll be able to take stock. I've had a little more. No idea what I look like in this light. Do I look scary? Oh. Let's see some fish coming on. Right, what do you reckon we're going to get first? Daylight or a fish? So far, it's made a slight adjustment to our location. I think I was a little bit close to the bank. But I don't really care, to be honest with you, because it is warm out here. This is a nice little setup. I've got a little check this out. I'll turn the torch off. I've got myself a cup of coffee. And this thermos. That is a $15-20 headlamp on a piece of Velcro. Who needs LEDs? What a way to go. Well, first light has produced the goods. We have off the hook, there he is, a little salmon. Oh, shed some light on the subject, Andrew, because it's still pretty dark. Come here, mate. Little Australian salmon to start proceedings for the day, right on first light. What a ripper. Ugh, there's salmon down there. Even on the big baits. He absolutely took that real hard. Let's turn our light on up here. Shed more light on the subject. Whew. Cool. Salmon coming in at first light. Here as well, I think. Yep. Going pretty hard too. Oh yeah. This could be a bit of fun. Have a look up. He's off. It was timing. I was just going to do a hey, the sun's come up on the Tamar thing. This rod's gone skunk. Gone this way. Oh, not around that line. And we're back on. More salmon. Just about to say how picturesque it is out here on the River Tamar. Very decent sized salmon. It's a bit more interesting. A skater array or something, I reckon. Look at it way back there. Don't know if you saw that. Just like to see what we've got. Ah, my arm. We've got leader. We got under the boat. Here we go. Oh, we got big 7 giller. That is massive. Holy fuck me, that is huge. Oh my god, look at the size of that. That is enormous. Look at the size of that. Can you see that? Can you see the size of this fish? No, I'm not grabbing me out of the line. Look at that. It's actually moderately frightening. Is enormous, pretty much as big as a boat. See you later. Oh, they're pretty docile. That's what's in there. Now, unfortunately, through that, seemed like there was a bit of a smear on the lens. So, awesome fish, absolutely enormous. That's definitely the biggest fish that I've ever hooked in my entire life. It wasn't coming in the boat. It wasn't going to fit in here. Let alone the fact that it would have bitten my legs off, and I quite like my legs. I'll keep them where they are. That was humongous. I hope that when I edit it up that the footage can come out okay, because as I say, I think there was a bit of a grotty smear on the lens. But you're definitely going to get the idea that that is a very, very big fish. There's obviously some very big shark here in the River Tamar. 10 to 10. Top of the tide was about half an hour ago or so. So water has stopped moving quite as quick. And we've been catching little flathead again, but nothing terribly exciting. Not sure whether I should pop over and maybe try the bank over there or something like that, do something a little bit different. See if I can catch something a little bit different to what I normally do, or whether I should just say, hey, I got up at 3 o'clock this morning, been here for a while, caught the biggest mother of a shark you've ever seen. Maybe that should do the day, but maybe we might give this a few more minutes, see if anything comes along, and then yeah, we might go and hit the rocky bank over there or something like that, see if there's anything else around. Well, it's certainly still become as calm as, which is nice for summer where it's been really windy. But I've been on the water since about 5 AM or a little bit after, I think it was, and I think that'll probably do me. I've caught the most crazy sized shark ever. That was cool. I hope the video comes out okay, and you get to see what it was. Oh, it's still swimming around down there. And yeah, so good day out. Apart from that, just, you know, some little flathead. Got those salmon were good fun. Salmon were good fun to play with. But pretty much sort of since then it's really just been those little tiny flatheads. So I think that'll do me for the day. And I'll say successful day out, and that was lots of fun.